Hi, welcome to the CrafteeManatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to work increases in your Amigurumi projects. This is part 3 of the Amigurumi Basics series here on my channel. Part 1 was how to get your Amigurumi project started with a magic ring, and part 2 was how to work a single crochet stitch in Amigurumi. This tutorial is going to show you how to make increases in your project. An increase in Amigurumi simply means to work 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch of the previous round. So, for example, here we have the next stitch needing to be worked. We're going to work 1 single crochet stitch into that stitch. And now, instead of moving on to the following stitch of the row, we're going to go back into that same stitch. So now we have 2 single crochet stitches worked in the same stitch of the previous round. That's going to increase the total number of stitches per round, which is what helps the Amigurumi project grow larger. I'll show you that process one more time. So to work that increase, we're going to go into 1 stitch, work a single crochet, and go back into the same stitch with another single crochet. It's that simple to work an increase in Amigurumi projects. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make increases in Amigurumi projects. It really is as simple as just making 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch to help the number of stitches grow each round. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crochet patterns and tutorials. You can find me on Instagram at the CrafteeManatee. You can also find all of my patterns on Ravelry, Etsy, and Rippler. Thanks for watching!